You just opened the fridge. You are not hungry. Not really. You are bored or stressed, or it is simply 3 in the afternoon. This feels like a modern habit. It is not. The real answer is far stranger. Your body is running software that is millions of years old. It was written for a world that no longer exists. And the diet you think your ancestors ate is mostly a myth. Picture a cave, a man in animal skins, gnawing raw mammoth meat. That image is everywhere. It is also almost completely wrong. Anthropologist Catherine Milton spent years studying the diets of traditional human societies. What she found broke the simple story. There was no single ancestral diet. There were hundreds. Some groups ate mostly plants. Some ate mostly meat. Your ancestors ate whatever the land in front of them offered. So what actually changed everything? Not the meat, the fire. Primatologist Richard Wrangham built a theory around this. He calls it the cooking hypothesis. Around 2 million years ago, human guts got smaller, brains got bigger, teeth shrank. That should not happen to a struggling animal. It should only happen to an animal that just found an easier way to get energy. Cooking was that way. Heat unwinds proteins. Heat softens starches. A cooked meal hands your body more usable calories for less effort. More energy meant more fuel for a hungry, expanding brain. Wrangham argues cooking did not just change the menu, it built the modern human mind. Look at your own jaw. It is small. Your gut is short compared to other great apes. Somewhere back in time, your ancestors traded raw abundance for cooked efficiency, and your body never went back. Here is where it gets stranger. You have probably heard early humans were mostly meat eaters, chasing mammoths across the tundra. Some were, but that was rarely the whole picture. Anthropologist Herman Poncer has studied the Hadza, a foraging community in Tanzania. His research found something surprising. Hunting large animals is unreliable. Meat was often a feast, not a foundation. The steady backbone of the diet, day after day, came from something far less glamorous. Roots, tubers, berries, honey when they could find it. Meat was a jackpot. Plants were the paycheck. So picture your ancestors differently. Not a lone hunter, triumphant over a fallen beast. More often, a small group, patiently digging and gathering, adjusting to whatever the season offered. Survival was not built on one food. It was built on flexibility. And here is the twist that makes this uncomfortable. You live in a world your body was never designed for. Not because your food is fake, because it is too easy. For nearly your entire evolutionary history, calories were scarce. Your body evolved to crave sugar and fat because those were rare, valuable, hard-won resources. That craving kept your ancestors alive through lean seasons. It is still running inside you, except now sugar and fat sit on every corner, priced at less than $1. Your ancient survival software is running in a world of permanent abundance. This is not a personal failure. This is millions of years of evolutionary logic colliding with a food environment invented in the last 100 years. Evolutionary biologist Marlene Zook puts it plainly. Humans have never stopped evolving, and there was never a moment of biological perfection to return to. The paleo fantasy of one pure ancestral diet is a story we tell, not a history we lived. That should feel like relief, not disappointment. There is no blueprint. There is only a species built by fire, flexibility, and constant improvisation, dropped into a world of endless choice. So tonight, when you open that fridge again, notice it. Notice the craving before you act on it. You are not weak. You are ancient. Your ancestors did not eat one perfect diet. They ate whatever kept them alive. And so, in your own way, tonight, will you?